Okay, everyone, this is Liam, and he's going to show you a review of his Angry Bird eggs. Go ahead.
Hi guys, we have an Angry Bird egg and camera. You can click it just like that, and it can light up into pirates. And it goes off just like that. And
Make sure you show everything to the camera, okay, so they can see it.
okay.
So bring your camera up here. There you go. Show everyone the camera.
So
Right here, see? Right in here. Liam.
you can
Hey,
look.
right here. You have to talk to the camera. That's what you're going to watch.
So we're gonna. This is the click camera with stick and a copy on it. And it has a clicker here. And I can take a picture of the pirates.
Show everyone what it takes pictures of. Bring it in. Okay, very good.
And I can click this to get some bad guys, pirates. And we have this. And we have the call. Well, Easter's over. Well, we just went to Chuck E. Cheese the last night when I went poopy. And we went there already. And we was gonna just come back later to the car. It had a Hot Wheels. It's a Hot Wheel one. Hot Wheels. And we have these things. They can change into red birds, blue birds, yellow birds. Can we open this?
Yeah, it's your video. Go ahead. You got to show the kids how you open stuff.
You can squeeze it. You can squeeze it.
Here, see.
You can squeeze it.
Okay, you know how to get it open, right?
You can get the squeeze. Now can get out. There we go. There we go. And you can put some stuff in here. You can put the ball. Now can swim like a boat. Just like that. Just like a boat. Just like a boat. And can come out of the boat. And
Okay, show them your red one and your green one. Hold them up for the camera.
here's these two.
Right here. Hold them up for the camera. The camera's got to see it.
Okay, so here's the other one and the other one. This is the bluebird.
Turn them around so they can see them.
Here's the red one and green one.
Good job. Now tell them your name and say, I'll see you next video.
I will see you next video.
Tell them your name.
I'm Liam.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
All right.